Join 10.1 car radio Android 8.04 GB plus 64 GB PX5 Octa Core GPS navigation doubled in with Zlink and Android Auto. Support RCA Video and Subwoofer Output. Zlink and Android Auto. Synchronize your phone by USB cable. Map, music player, calls and messages are available on the car stereo. Only one side of USB port is available. Built-in Android Auto function. You only need to download Android Auto app to your phone from the Google Play Store. Android Auto isn't compatible with the cell phones with Android 8.0 and above version. Android 8.0 Octa Core 4GB 64GB, Android 8.0 PX5 Octa Core 64 bits Cortex A53 1.5 GHz, TUF 6686 Radio IC, carry out more advanced tasks than before, quicker system responding and faster speed web browsing experience. It doesn't support fast boot. Full RCA video and subwoofer output. Support video out to headrest or external monitor by RCA Video Output. Allows rear seat passenger to enjoy video content on additional rear seat monitors. Supports subwoofer audio output, and control it separately. 10.1-inch big screen, doubled-in metal box with 10.1-inch big screen and the 1024x600 high pixel density provides amazingly vibrant video and visual effects. Supports 4K video format. The multi-touch screen offers a remarkably fluid and intuitive operation. Free risk purchase. We offer 30 days money-back guarantee and 2 years warranty. We provide professional detailed pre-purchase information and installation guide, whether before purchase or after purchase. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We will do our best to help you. Item weight, 6.4 pounds. Product dimensions, 10 by 6.1 by 3.9 inches. Item model number, GU0134N4PX5S. Display size, 10.1 inches. Display resolution, 1024x600.